How to make a
shower gel DIY soap.
We don't own the copyright to the video. We are sharing for educational purposes only.
Hello everyone, and once again welcome to another video of shower gel production. So in today's video I want to teach you guys how to produce shower gel using potassium hydroxide and oils. We'll be using potassium hydroxide and oil. We'll be using shea butter oil, coconut oil, olive oil and castor oil. So first of all, I'll start by dissolving my potassium hydroxide in water. Now in the production of shower gel, you don't have to keep your caustic or your potash to cool down, because once you drop or you put potassium hydroxide in water, it will start becoming hot, similar to caustic soda, the way caustic soda behave. But this one we are using potassium hydroxide, not caustic soda. Caustic soda is called sodium hydroxide, then this one we are using is called potassium hydroxide. Potassium hydroxide is used for the production of liquid soap or shower gels. So we are producing the shower gel, and over here is my shea butter, making use of 100 grams. So now when you dissolve your potassium hydroxide in water, it will start becoming hot. You have to use it with that heat, because shower gel or liquid soap production with this method needs heat. This type of production of shower gel, it needs heat. So your potassium hydroxide has to be hot and your oils has to be hot also. So this oil, I'm going to place it on my electric stove and heat it up so that it also become hot. So my potassium hydroxide will be hot and my oils will be hot also. So we're using the hot method for this production. This production usually goes through the hot method. The production of shower gel with potassium hydroxide goes through a hot method production. So you can see I placed it on my electric stove to heat up the oils. So if you observe, I have transferred this from my electric stove to my gas cooker. That's reason because in my country, Nigeria, our government has made a vow that we shall never have steady light till Jesus Christ comes. So I had to transfer it from my electric stove because we had shortage of electrical power supply. So I had to use my gas stove to continue my production. So sorry for the transfer of my shower gel from the electric stove to my gas stove. It's the situation of my country. So everybody has to cope. So back to the production. I'm using my gas stove, but this time around, since my gas has the way of releasing too much of heat, I had to use a double boiling method. I placed a basin with water first before putting my shower gel inside the hot water. So now my shower gel is going to be cooked with the heat from the hot water instead of the heat directly from the gas stove. I don't want it to burn. The heat from the gas stove directly is going to burn this our production, and I don't want it to get burnt. So I just need little heat from the hot water coming to the shower gel directly that I'm producing. I hope you understand me. After I have gotten my shower gel to look like a paste, now I want to check the total weight of it. So once you are done cooking it, you have to check the total weight of it. Now the purpose of this is that the water that I'll use in dissolving this my shower gel production or this my soap paste production has to be 2 times the weight of my soap paste. So if this my soap paste I'm keeping on the scale weighs 500 grams, my water has to be 1000 grams. That's just a simple example. So the quantity of water that I'll use in dissolving this my soap paste so that it will turn to a shower gel will be 2 times the weight of my soap paste. I hope you understand me. So I'm checking the weight of my soap paste that I just finished cooking. Once I get the total weight, the quantity of my water that I'll use has to be 2 times the weight of this my soap paste. So my soap is weighing 516 grams, implying that my water has to be 2 times of that. So I'm going to do a simple math of 516 times 2, which will give me 1000 and something to give me a figure. So let's see the math. 516 times 2 gave me 1302 grams. Now that's the quantity of water I have to use to dissolve my soap paste. But before I dissolve it with the water, I have to first of all boil this water to get rid of any impurity. So I'll first of all boil the water. Once the water is hot enough, I know I've gotten rid of the impurities in my water. It's either you boil the water or you make use of distilled water. If you don't have distilled water in your disposal, boil the water. So those are the 2 options you can use. Either you use distilled water without boiling it, or if you don't have distilled water, any water you have, boil it first. Once it's hot and very hot, you pour it into your soap paste. So after 24 hours, this is what it looks like. I'm going to add my fragrance, I'll add my glycerin. Now I'll add xanthan gum. Xanthan gum is actually used for thickening stuff like this. If you want it to be thick, if you want it to be thicker than this, you add xanthan gum, but it is optional. If you prefer it like this, there is no need of adding xanthan gum. But if you want it to be thicker than this, you add xanthan gum. So don't forget to check the description of this video if you want to join my online class on soap making, on cream production, organic soap, organic cream, shower gels, liquid soap, detergents, powder detergents. There's a lot you learn there. The bleach, the hypo, bleach and hypo are the same thing. The bleach, the hair shampoo, the hair cream, the Vaseline, the hair butter. There's a lot of things you learn in my online class. And I have ebooks for sale. You can do it by reaching me on WhatsApp to purchase the ebook. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, very important, so that you'll be updated by our new videos. Subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to subscribe, very important. So you can see how beautiful this our shower gel looks like. Very nice. One I added lemon color, the other one I used turmeric color. So this is used for bathing. This is used for bathing. It's very moisturizing, very nice, very smooth on the skin, very mild to the skin. You love it. Just you can try this at home. You're going to love it. That's a promise. You will love it. This is fantastic. This is a fantastic production of shower gel. Very easy to produce. It's not hard. All you need is your potassium hydroxide and your oil. It's not hard to produce. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Goodbye and see you next time on our next video. But first of all, before I leave, let us test and see how this led us. Let's see how this led us or how this forms.